Hello, internet friends and family. Happy Saturday, February 16th, 2013. I'm out here in Boulder City, and maybe you can hear the birds. And there's a place in this park where you've seen me many times. But, so there's a duck pond behind me. And then over here is a fishing pond. And I'm just walking through this area where there's trees. So this area right here, the birds are going nuts, so I don't know what's going on, but it's crazy. I wonder what they're talking about. Obviously, they're having quite an animated conversation out here. It's kind of awesome because, you know, during the summer, it's too hot for birds out here. I don't know, it's kind of fun, huh? So sometimes this is one of the routes that I take in the park. I just kind of come up here around this pond and then go clear around the whole distance. But I'm just like, I'm digging the birds today. It's the birds attack. But it's beautiful. As you can tell, it's kind of overcast. Just hazy, light overcast. But it's fairly warm. It's about 64 degrees. So yeah, I'm just going to go out and enjoy my beautiful walk out here. And if I don't talk to you later, I will talk to you tomorrow. So here is the fishing lake. This is where all the people fish. And the pond below is where all the ducks are, where everybody goes to feed all the ducks. There's a few people out fishing today. So I'm walking in a different part of this park today, and I found this ginormous nail. I mean, seriously? Here are my keys. That thing is like 6 to 8 inches, at least. At least. I may take it home and measure it, but it's huge. What is this thing sitting over here in the dirt? Looks like it's laminated. Oh, that's kind of awesome. It says, look beyond the surface gray through silver swirls to deeper blue. Oh, wow. It's kind of an ocean picture. It's laminated, but must be blown over here or something. See what treasures you find in the middle of the desert? So as I predicted, the jumbo nail is 6 inches. It's about 6 inches. Wowzer.